Good day, traders. Divergence traders, that is. Okay, what kind of a day did we have today? Well, we had no divergence at the top of the move. There's no formation. Well, I guess no, there is. You just have to stretch it a little bit. Like this. Like this. See? Put it together like that. And what do you see? Sometimes you got to stretch them out. Sometimes you got to stretch. Pull them back in. This is a pull them back in. Let me show you the divergence. That's what we're looking for. So we have a... Holy shit. Still got that cough. A high and a higher high. And let me get a Canadian... Halls. We call them halls up here in Canada. H-A-L-L-S. I've been taking them since I was a fucking... Whenever I get sick, that is. Been taking them since I was a kid. Okay. I got that. We got higher highs. See, it is divergent, man. It is divergent. Did I trade that? No. Did I use it as a guide? Yes. Actually, I didn't even look for this divergence up here. I only seen it now. So I'm not going to lie to you. Like they say in America, well, I'm not going to lie to you, but I did this. And I did that. Well, I ain't going to lie to you. That's funny. It's a very popular saying down in America. In the Gulf of America. Yeah, in the Gulf of America. Well, once again, before I start here, Donald Trump, you swear he's going to start a war and do it. Like with Canada, he's going to take over Canada and make it the 51st state. It's like, holy fuck, he doesn't shut up about it. He just keeps talking about it. Something's going to happen. That's all I can say. All that I can say is, why was the United States giving, what was it? It was $200 billion a year as a subsidy. Why were they doing that? There's no fucking reason to do that. That's some crooked fucking deal like Biden made or that other fucking guy. What was his name? Bush. Somebody made this deal, like where they were giving Canada money, and the United States was giving money to other countries as well. Why? I would like to know why, because I totally agree with Mr. Donald J. Trump. He should be. Why in the hell are they paying that money? It's like, make your own money. It's like, you know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. I've never heard anybody say why. All that they say is, oh yeah, we were paying a subsidy and we were getting ripped off. Well, I agree with you, Don. You know, there's no reason to give them money, to give us money over here in Canada. We can make our own fucking money. I don't know what's going on with that. It just sounds like another crooked deal with NATO and all these deals Mr. Biden made. You know what I mean? Anyway, I could go so much more deeper into this, but I won't. We're supposed to be talking about trading, but it's going to affect our trading. I tell you, if I can get these, you know, what do they call them? Tariffs. They got these tariffs going and woo-hoo, watch out. Anyway, it makes no sense to me why the United States is paying Canada that money. I'd like to know why. Nobody fucking says why. Everybody just says, oh, they're ripping us off. And I'm repeating myself. Anyway, I don't know. I do not know. Anyway, there's the divergence. Oh, okay, now I need the arrow. arrow right there, boom shakalak, and it never went back up here because this is where your stop would have been if you would have done the trade. Okay, let me stretch it out now a little bit. As soon as you sold, right there, the 5 crossed down, the price closed below the 5. The 5 is the white line. Okay, that's it. That's the, and then you look at the gap. And that is the criteria for this trade. Okay. Let me show you this now. Higher close. This candle closed higher. And once we see that and it comes back to the 5, we sell and down it goes. And here's another one. Just like the other one. Higher closing candle, sell it, and it goes down a little bit. And then there was another one. Not that you needed to take the other one, but if you wanted to add on to your position, okay, everybody wants to do it at a better price. And our better price in here, here's the third one. Let me open that up a little bit so you can see it. There's our better price right there. So what would you rather do? Sell down here at the bottom of the wick or sell up here at the top of the candle? You want to sell it higher to get a better price. So you can take it all the way down. And here's one more down here. I'll put it on here just for giggles. Okay, higher close. Sell it, and down it goes. And then we changed trend, ladies and gents. Oh, but wait, I have to show you. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm sorry. Okay, let's pull this in here. Okay. We can look at this 2 ways, and I will show you the 2 ways, okay? We have a low and a lower low. That's what we need. And then we have this here. See? That is divergent, ladies and gentlemen. So we will place a arrow on the entry candle. Oh, don't do that, you little bugger. There. Okay, that is the first trade. There's a second one. But it's the same trade, basically, just a little different. Okay, so some of you have seen me do this before where I disregard the spike down. If you were to go look at my videos, you would find this. You would see that I would draw from candles in here like this. Okay? That's a double bottom. And where would that trade come from? Down on the OSMA? Down here. Okay? There it is. There's the divergence, ladies and gentlemen, to buy it up. Okay, and your first lower close, buy it up it goes, would have been right here. So we had the lower close, the 5 is above the 7. You'd buy it right here, and up it goes. What's it doing now? Oh, we rallied back up again. I just did a trade, my last trade here. I swear to you, it was right here. The price was somewhere right at the bottom of this wick of this candle right here. And I got out. I was short from in here. I thought it was actually going to go more. But see what happens when you think it's going to go somewhere? You got to trade with your eyes, not with your brain. You know, your brain that makes up decisions, you got to trade with your eyes. Your eyes never lie to you. Well, when you're watching this chart, anyway, your eyes can lie to you at times. There's people, you know, even myself, we see things that are not there. Then once we see it, sometimes our brain will believe it. Next thing you know, there's an assumption involved. And then next thing you know, all these people were told an assumption that was never true. And yeah, that's what happens. Okay. Now down here is another trade. That's right here. It's a double bottom. Oh my goodness gracious. So it would have got you long right in there like that, and it's doing pretty good. Probably going to take it back up now. They wanted you to take it to sell the trying to fucking talk with this fucking cough drop in my mouth. Jesus Christ. Oh, he had nothing to do with it though. Jesus, our Savior. I believe in Jesus. I do. I didn't before, but now I do. I almost died 100 times on my couch, and somehow God got my heart pounding again right out of my chest. Boom. And that's what it felt like. And I got up and I went, oh, fuck. Almost got me again. And really funny now, it hasn't been doing this now to me for a very long time, for at least a year. Like every night when sorry to tell you this, not about the trading, but I'm just telling you my life story a little bit, but, well, not my whole life story, but anyway, for over a year, just as I start to fall asleep, I've said this before, my heart stops or something stops, I don't know, and then I go boom, and I get out of it. I think it was Jesus. Jesus wants me to live, for now anyway. So that's what was going on. So anyway, here's a double bottom, and up we go. Look at all these winning trades, eh? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, winner, winner, winner. How many is that? 3, 5, 7, 8 trades. All winners. All winners. This is the MNQ. This is the 1 minute time frame. Oh. Yeah, I need to bring this over. MetaTrader. How the hell did that move? Is that the 930? Oh, it is too. See, so right under here would have been a sell trade for the open range breakout to the downside. Would have been a good trade if you sold right underneath this wick. Okay, there's 200. Oh my God, look at this, look at this, look at this. All the way down to the fucking bottom. 400 motherfucking points, ladies and gentlemen. The orb, the famous orb. Every day it wins. It's just radically insane. That's it. That was the trade. Did you do it? Did you do it? Very simple rules. 945, well, 940, you draw the high of the open candle, which was right here, and the low. And today it broke the low, and down she go. 400 points, okay? So that's it for that. Now let's look at, oh, that's why that looked like that. Where the hell is that candle? I'm sorry, it's down here. Oh, I'm a little fucked up. I had it on the wrong time frame. I had it on the 5. It's done on the 15. I'm so sorry. Anyway, it broke the low right here. If you would have sold, it was still a winner of 260 points. Okay? Okay. And now we look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's the same trade up here. See? Double top right up here. Well, I can mark it, I guess. Double top and right up down here. See? See, it's going down. I can put it exactly on there if you like. It's not going to make much of a difference. There, see? It's still going stair step down, 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 down. You can tell between this higher mountain and this little mountain, it's angled down. The space between the red and the top of it is less than over here. It's bigger. So that means it's going down. And what does it mean when it's pointing down on the OSMA? What does that mean? It means it's going to go down. Down, 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 down. Which it did. Okay? Very cool. I like that orb trade. It's very cool. You don't have to think too much, you know. You don't have to have FOMO. You don't have to have this. You don't have to have that. You just do it. Although they never said where to put your stop if you did this trade. But anyway, I don't know. Like I said, I don't use stops. I hate stops. I do not move stops unless I'm really comfortable and really deep in profit. That's when I move my stop. S&P, what did we do? Oh, there's no double top here. Oh, well, but it's no, there's no double top. But see that going up? You see it going up. And this mountain, this little blue mountain right here, going down. That's hidden divergence, right? Yeah. So you would have got in short there and it went down 50 points on the S&P 500. And then it just did some wish-wash shit in here. Dow, what did it do? Oh, look at it. No. There's no trade there that I can see. Oh, no, there is a trade here. Let me show you. Let me show you. I wasn't looking hard enough. Huh? Wasn't looking hard enough. Right here, man. They took it down. It closed below the 5. The 5 crossed down below the 7 EMA displacement 1. Okay? Okay. And up it went. So we're waiting for a trade to come back up, the price to come back up and close up around the 5 or above the 5. You would have got long and it would have went up and you would have made money and we would have went, you would have went, hooray, hooray. You wasco-y wabbit, you. Okay. 300 points right there. Boom shakalak. What a beautiful run, eh? Boom, boom, boom. 15 minutes. Woo, the way we go. Pound dollar, what did it do? Oh my goodness, look what it gave up. Perfect. Higher high. And this one's perfect, right down to the little blue doodah. See right here? See it? That's it. That means sell, baby, sell. See how it's pointing down? The line I put on there, that means the price is going to go down. That's what that means. And did it? Yeah, it went down. It went down 37 pips. If you held it till, well, down here, there's 50 pips. If you had it in you to hold it that long, okay? Euro, USD, oh, hold on, pound dollar. See, at this time, after the big move down, I wouldn't do a higher close here, sell it. Even though if you would have done it, it would have worked. It's because it's in the lower part of the range. We always want to sell from near the top. Not at the top, but we want to sell near the top, somewhere in here, and down it goes, right? When we want to buy near the bottom, but not at the bottom. Because you can get in trouble if you try and buy it at the bottom or sell it at the top, because it can keep going and you lose money. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that, guys. Okay, Euro, USD. Same thing right here. Boom. That's the pound that had that. Yeah, that's the pound that had that. Yeah, this is Algo Jim. Please meet Algo Jim. Algo Jim and yeah, the euro and the pound, they were present today. See, same movement. Yeah, yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me get back to this now. Jason, get your concentration back. Here we go. There was a sell trade in here. Right there. On the Euro USD, and it went down 54. Wow, she went down good today, the Euro. Maybe something to do with the tariffs. Yeah, it could be. They're going to hit you too. What do they call it? European Union? According to Donald Trump, he says that was created to scam us, he said. That's what he said. You see, this Donald Trump guy, he's kind of like sometimes he's not like a politician. He's like an everyday Joe, you know. Okay, I'm gonna take out my hog today, my motorcycle. Get on the back of my hog, bitch. You know, that's the kind of guy he is. He says the European Union was created to scam America. Anyway, I'm just telling you, that's what he said. Crazy shit. You can't fool him, man. And he's funny, too, at the same time. I don't know how anybody can hate Donald Trump. He's a great guy. He's a good guy, man. For sure. Okay. We had... Let me show you something here. We had lower lows, right? Yeah. We had lower lows. And this would have been the buy fake, because it crossed up, it closed up. It was a quick move, though, so went up about 15 pips. This is the euro dollar. Not good. Anyway, it's a bad trade. Okay? Okay. As long as you know, there's not always winners. There's a very high rate of winning trades. Oh, God, look at this. Pound yen, come on. They're in a great tug of war today. For whatever reason, I don't know what. Euro yen? Same shit. I could mark it here, low and lower low, right here, bing, bing. You would have got in here, you know, and you had the chance to make maximum potential. Oh, 30 pips, basically. So that was good. Yeah, and I'll show you the divergence because it was it's a good trade. There's the trade. Okay. Let's now look at oil. Oh, that ugly. But there was a trade. Let me show you. Hidden divergence. Right there. There it is. That's it. Hidden divergence. So you would have got long right in there. And it went up about 39 points. Okay? Okay. Then we had gold. Gold, not too good. But there was divergence. Let me show you. We have higher highs. Okay? Probably like that. Oh, close enough. Okay. Where's my tool? There it is. There it is. I don't know where you live, but it's snowing again back up here in Canada. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, too. I knew the snow wouldn't stay away. I knew more was coming. After we got that big dump on us, we had such a big dump, they had to remove snow and, with backhoes and dump it in dump trucks, and then they went and dumped it somewhere all over the city of Kitchener because we had a couple feet of snow for sure. See how I said that in American, measurement, not fucking centimeters and meters and that shit. We probably had about over a meter anyway, 3-4 feet. It was melting away nicely for the last few days. We've had +4. Oh, that's metric too. Anyway, it was melting and now it's snowing again. And I don't like it. Wow, there's 190 points. There's gold. There's your trade for gold. And that happened at 9:30. Stock market open. Sell. Okay, I don't even want to look at this. Bitcoin. Oh, it's staying down there like glue. What about XRP? Oh, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere too fast there. Now that I've seen it's done this and it's on its pattern where it looks like it's just going to go down. That's what it looks like to me. But I can't see it going to fucking 50 cents again. I just can't. But you never know in these wild markets, man. It could go down to 80 cents or $1, and then finally they have the move that they want, that everybody wants, that everybody's been waiting for 7 years, even though there's this move we had. So I don't know. To me, it looks like it's going lower. That's what it looks like to me. But I'm not worried. I have them. I have the few coins I have in coins digitally. They're not. I don't trade it on the open market. So what did Ethereum do? Oh yeah, they really want to dump Ethereum. It should be dumped anyway. It was made out of thin air. It was created on rumors. Actually, you want me to really tell the truth? It was created on lies. That's what Ethereum was. And fucking yeah, and Bitcoin too. It had a free pass all the way up to $100. Yeah, crazy but true. Anyway, I want to thank you all for coming and watching and listening. Please come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and we'll take it from there. Good luck and good trading.